Now, in the last class where we have stopped, now the king was ready to sacrifice his own life to save the barbarian son and the victim. Now, when he was about to strike himself with a sword, a strange thing happened. What was that? Now, a divine flowers showered on him with a beautiful color and perfume. To see beside there was a parasol and someone held back his arm. That was the king, Lord Aruna, the king of seas. Now he was blessed with the Lord Varuna. The king turned around in surprise and looked at the person of heavenly appearance. The God has come and blessed him. Then he realized that the barbarian, the victim and the ailing boy had vanished. To test the nobility and kindness of Meghavahana, Lord Varuna had witnessed this incident and a divine being addressed the bewildered king. The king was confused. I am Varuna, the lord of the seas. I have come to reclaim my parasol that was carried away from my town by the powerful Bhama, the father of your father-in-law. Now, why Lord Varuna had come? He had come to recover the parasol that he had blessed to Meghavahana. Why? That was taken by his father-in-law. It has powers to quell calamities in my land. Now, what was the power of the parasol? It has the power to put an end to all the calamities. Quell means to put an end. Calamities, unpleasant situation. I created this illusion to test your nobility of mind. You are truly compassionate and noble. And the king, Lord Varuna also told the king that he created an illusion as a barbarian, the victim and the ailing boy just to test the nobility and kindness of the king. Now Meghavahana bowed before the divine being and returned the parasol reverently to him. He returned back the parasol to the Lord. Then he asked hesitantly, O Lord, encouraged by your praise, I wish to ask for a boon. I need help to cross the waters so that I may conquer the islands. Now Meghavahana was about to cross the ocean to conquer the land of demons Lanka. Why? Because to teach them the ways of life, to lead a life peacefully. Varuna smiled. So be it. When you desire to cross the ocean, I will pull away the water. So I will be there forever to help you at any time. He was blessed. Then he disappeared with the parasol. The following day, Meghavahana assembled his troops on the shore. Now, he was on his way to cross the ocean now along with his troops. The waters swelled and crashed on the sand and the soldiers trembled at its might. There was a large water waves coming towards them and they were scared to move across the ocean, their troops, the king's troops. Meghavahana rode forward and plunged into the foaming ocean. Now he did not heed that. Meghavahana just rode forward. So here a word comes rode. This is the past tense. Past tense of which word? Ride. This is present tense. Past tense of ride is rode. So here Meghavahana rode forward and plunged into the foaming ocean. All at once the waters parted and the king, as the Meghavahana just moved across the ocean, sea water, the water automatically parted means get separated and it waved the path, and the king, smiling at his troops, astonishment, beckoned them to follow him. They were still standing and looking at the king, and the king just turned back and he beckoned. Beckoned means gave a sign of just coming back. Called them to follow them. In his wondrous manner, Meghavahana reached Lanka and won over its king Vibhishana in the form of friendship. He made friendship with the king of Lanka, Vibhishana, peacefully, and he conquered Lanka also. On returning home, Amrita Prabha welcomed him and then looked around in confusion. Now when he returned back to the palace, his wife Amrita Prabha asked, she was confused to see that the king without parasol, because she has noticed the parasol beside him till now. Where is the parasol, my lord? She asked. It never leaves your side. Now it was always with him till then. So she asked. It was never mine to keep. He answered. No, it was never mine. I was blessed with the parasol by Lord Varuna. Now it had been returned to the owner of it, that is Lord Varuna. Yet the mark of favor shown to me by its divine owner will guide me through my life. But nothing to worry. Now that will bless me throughout my life. That will guide me throughout my life in my difficulties. By saying, as he spoke, the skies darkened as if the parasol was casting its shadow over him, even from its heavenly abode. And he was blessed with a heavenly parasol from the skies like this. So let's end it here. Continue in the next session.